A large, high-peaked house sits amid a rocky, mountainous landscape. Text on the screen, the National Park Service presents. A woman climbs the house's stairs.
I remember a lifetime ago.
The woman joins people inside.
When we started this journey,
A film of historical figures begins to play.
we were inspired by each other to create something greater than ourselves
People lying in a field.
and achieve so much together.
An elderly couple walking.
A place to feel alive,
Children run on a forest path.
to discover who we
A
are,
woman stands in the forest.
and ensure what always was will always be.
Yosemite National Park.
Those days when we walked softly
Statue of Theodore Roosevelt.
and honored our past,
A Native American woman.
when he saved a nation
Statue of Abraham Lincoln.
and they saved the world.
U.S. Marines march by.
When he stood for this,
The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial.
and she sat for that.
Rosa Parks on a bus.
When she captured our hearts,
Eleanor Roosevelt statue.
and he captured our souls.
Photographer Ansel Adams.
When we were divided,
A Civil War battlefield.
United 93, do you still hear Cleveland?
and we were united.
The Flight 93 Memorial.
He lifted our spirits.
The Franklin Roosevelt Memorial.
We aimed higher
Fireworks on the National Mall.
and never stopped looking up.
A starry sky in the forest. The First Lady at Grand Teton National Park. Jets fly over the National Mall. The flag at Fort McHenry. President Trump at the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial. Vice President Pence at Old Faithful.
But along the way,
Man walks through a forest.
my roads grew old.
A road filled with potholes.
My bridges shouldered years of weight.
A very old bridge.
My trails became well-traveled.
Repairs at Yellowstone National Park with Secretary Bernhardt and Vice President Pence.
But my roots grow deeper.
A man stands in the forest.
My branches extend further.
A very large old tree. Scenes from an old movie.
I was there for them,
A family walks through a forest.
and I'll be there for you.
A park ranger from behind.
Will you be there for me?
The President and First Lady at Fort McHenry. Text on screen. With more than 350 million people visiting America's national parks, many roads, bridges, visitor centers, historic buildings, trails, and campgrounds are in need of critical repairs. We must meet this challenge and preserve our national parks for our children and grandchildren. President Trump has called on Congress to do this and restore our national parks. National Park Service, Arrowhead. The bison seal of the Department of the Interior.